Music 10, Module 3B. Can you guess? Filipino musicians. Another category of 20th century Filipino musicians are the well-known song composers and the lyricists such as Neville Celerio, Constancio de Guzman, Mike Velarde Jr., Irani Cuenco, Resty Umali, George Canseco, Angel Peña, Leopoldo Silos Sr., and Santiago Suarez. Together, they produce a memorable output of traditional Filipino love songs, music for movies, and materials for contemporary arrangements and concert repertoire.
Bayang kong Pilipinas, lupain ang ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig ang...
Levi Celerio. Levi Celerio was named National Artist for Music and Literature in 1997. He was born in Tondo, Manila on April 13, 1910 and studied at the Academy of Music in Manila. He is also a violinist and had written lyrics of over 4,000 songs in his lifetime, which included many for film. Many Kundiman and Filipino love songs has lyrics written by him, most notable of which are Dahil sa Iyo, Buhat, and Ang Pasko Ay Sumatit. His achievements include his citation in Guinness Book of World Records for being the only person to make music with a mouth-blown leaf. He will forever be remembered through his lyrics of the songs such as Ang Pipit, Sa Away ng Duyan, Nisa, Itik-Itik, and many more. He passed away on April 2, 2002. Here is one of his songs. Constancio de Guzman. Constancio Canseco de Guzman was born in November 11, 1903 in Giginto, Bulacan. He grew up in Manila where he studied piano and composition under Nicanor Abelardo. In 1948, his songs Ang Bayan Ko and Kung Kita'y Kapiling won the gold medal at the Paris International Fair. Bayan Ko was later adopted as a symbolic song of People Power movement of 1986. De Guzman's notable compositions includes Babalik Ka Rin, Ang Tanging Kong Pag-ibig, Maalaala Mo Kaya, and Sa Piling Mo. He passed away on August 16, 1982. Here is one of his songs.
Maalaala mo kaya ang sumpa mo sa akin.
Miguel Mike G. Velarde Jr. Mike Gilson Velarde Jr., composer, conductor, movie actor, and musical director, was born in Manila on October 23, 1913 as the second of two children of Dr. Miguel Velarde Sr. and Dolores Gison. His family moved to Zamboanga when he was only 1 year old, and there he spent the next 18 years of his life. The simple environment of Basilan and Zamboanga influenced his creative imagination. He learned the basics of harmony and composition from Antonio Molina and Ariston Avellino. He had a jazz band known as Mike Velarde's Jazzocrats. Velarde composed musical scores for Misampagita Films, movie production, and managed its advertising department. In subsequent years, Velarde created his own style as he composed highly melodious and romantic songs such as Ikaw, Lahat ng Araw, Habang Buhay, Minamahal Kita, and Dahil sa Iyo. Is one of his songs.
Ay kay sarap nang sa'yo'y may nagmamahal.
Quiz time!